That's taking Kenyans for granted.
Nĩ mawoni ma anyiti itemi na aikari matiganĩte a Ngong na Karen magĩtetia kwaga gũkuruhanio na mĩbango ya gwaka reri ya Riruta nginya Ngong.
We've been called for stakeholder engagement with the desire to sit down with the representatives and consultants and leaders of current Kenya Railways with an intent to have them supply us details and go through a pre-feasibility and feasibility study that would guide the best infrastructure that would be best for the residents and the people who live in Karen area. It's unfortunate that they did not supply us with what we had asked them for. Instead, they came with the terms of reference and a work plan for what they had intended to construct along Karen side area, which is
maugĩte ũndũ ũrĩa wa bata nĩ kwaramia bara ya Ngong ĩrĩa ĩkũnyihia mũhatĩkano handũ ha gwaka reri ĩyo.
Koguo priority kana ũndũ wa bata mũno nĩ kwamba kupapanua kana kwaramia bara ĩno ya Ngong kuma Karen gũthiĩ Ngong, tondũ bara ĩno rĩu ĩratũmĩrwo nĩ ngari cia kuma Narok, Suswa na ona kũu nginya Kisii na no kabarabara karĩa gakirwo 1969.
Open up this corridor, not just for transport, but for other residual business economic benefits that will benefit so many people along this ride. So we are not talking as Karen people, but we are looking at this entire corridor to Kiserian. There's a lot of residual benefit that will accrue.
Nimarĩkĩtie na kuga mũbango wa gũtema mĩtitũ mwena ũcio nĩguo gwaka bara nĩ ũgũthũkia marĩa matũrigicĩirie.
Good number of the trees that are positioned to where you guys want to place the railway line are a lot of indigenous trees that have taken years to be planted, to be curated, to be molded, to be protected. And so for us to come and have such a conversation, please come with a feasibility report.
It's a laughing matter that this is year 2026, when our neighbors are doing electric lines, we are going back to the diesel.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Erastus Ngigi.